Make a great choice today with the 2016 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, Bose sound system, air conditioning, dual airbags, Bluetooth, alloy wheels, power steering, backup camera. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.